In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the grid lines in Ableton Live. Now to do this, there's actually a few settings you can change. So by default, your grid lines should look something like this. And now the basic settings are going to be available when you right click anywhere over here in your this view over here, which is the arrangement view. So you want to right click, and then from here, as you can see, the first thing is snap to grid. So of course, if you turn this on, it's going to look like this, but if you turn it off, it's going to look like this. So these lines are going to be kind of dotted and split. Okay, this is going to basically snap or not snap the grid. Now over here you also have the options to change and select the adaptive grid. You have widest, you have wide, you have medium, you have a bunch of different ones. I'm going to keep it as narrow for now. And then over here you also have the fixed grid, which is of course an option as well. You have 8 bars, you have 4 bars, you have 2 bars, 1 bar, and then basically a half, fourth, 8, 16, and 32. Of course, it's completely up to you, whichever one you want to use. I'm going to go with narrow right now. There we go. And what you can also do is simply use the Control+1 button on your keyboard to go to normal, Control+2, which is going to widen them, Control+4, which is going to toggle on or off snapping, and there's some other keyboards, kind of keybinds as well. You could use Control+5, which is going to widen them even more, etc. Okay, so all of those are going to be available. When you right click, it's going to tell you which kind of control key plus the number is going to give you which function. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. Now of course you can then snap the grid like this. You can move things around, and as you can see, they are snapping to my grid like this, which is quite convenient if you want to position things kind of in order, or kind of course, so they fit perfectly. And yeah, that's essentially how to use the grid. It's that simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.